unparalleled TPD corn grits and flour production line. The design is two-layer platform structure. 3-layer equipment layout. Totally 48 meters long, 8 meters wide, and 10 meters high. Total installed capacity 520 kilowatts. Higher consumption per ton of corn is 50 degrees. The total yield of grits and flour is 65%. By visual inspection, there is no grain and dark spot in grits and flour, far exceeding national standards. Equipped with PLC intelligent control system, we've realized intelligent, digital, visual, and paperless production. This design includes 6 process sections: raw material intaking section, cleaning section, peeling and degerminating section, grits and flour making section, finished product storage and packing section, aspirating and dusting section. Corn raw grain is coarsely filtered through the lower grain pay fence and is conveyed to the vibrate sifter by bucket elevator. The vibrate sifter will remove the big and small impurities such as stem, broken cob, small sands, etc. The vertical aspiration channel removes the surface dust and light impurities. The clean material will be sent to the silos by elevator. And the dusting aspiration system is equipped to provide negative pressure suction and dust removal for grain pits and equipment, and make sure the equipment runs smoothly and the surroundings clean. By the auger conveyor under the silos, corn is first sent to the magnetic separator, which removes the iron impurities. Then the corn enters the vibrate sifter, which removes all the stems, leaves, dust, and other impurities by screen. Then, the corn enters the 2 sets of destiners, which removes the stones and corn cobs side by side. Then, the corn is sent to the flood style, which is installed before dampening part, and is controlled by PLC intelligent system, which is convenient for flow statistics and production management. 2 corn peeling machines. The corn bran is removed. The corn is not broken. The 3rd lengthened emery roller peeler is used to separate the germs and bran efficiently. Clean corn is fed into the grading sifter to get F7 by 7, F5 by 5, F1 by 1, totally 2 grades. The material on the screen F7*7 is sent to the short body polisher. The material on the screen F5*5 is sent into grits making machine. The material through the screen is sent into the germ selector, color sorter, which will remove the caps, broken germs. The endosperm after purified also enters the grits and flour making machine. The selected impurities enters the auger conveyor for bran, so to increase the endosperm yield. The F7*7 endosperm takes around 35%. After breaking, digging and peeling, it will enter another sifting grader. The screening pads are consistent with the process route of graded introduction after emery roller peeler. The material on F7*7 will be returned back for peeling. Again, big and middle clean endosperm go through magnetic separator, grits making machine, and is sent to sifting and grading system by aspiration system, according to the concept of more grits yield, less broken, and less yield. We upgraded the grits making machine by using frequency changing model. We achieve flexible deployment of more grits yield, less flour yield, and more flour yield, and less grits yield. The sifting part will classify 6 grades. The 3 all-through flour will enter the silo part. The 3 grits, 8 to 12 meshes, 12 to 24 meshes, 24 to 40 meshes, go through the aspirator, which removes the fine bran and soft flour and enters the storage silo. 42 to 60 meshes flour will go through the flour return device and enters the microfine flour crusher for flour making. The fineness of the flour can be adjusted easily. The microfine flour crusher is equipped with a freeze water cooling system. It can crush sorghum, soybean, yellow pea, mung bean, highland barley, oat, buckwheat kernels, etc. It can produce 3-in-1 flour, 4-in-1 flour, 5-in-1 flour, 6-in-1 flour, 7-in-1 flour, 8-in-1 flour, etc. The flour is transported by air into the flour inspection sifter. The finished flour is transported by air into the corn flour silo. The processing part and finished product packing part work separately. According to users' needs, the storage system can be designed to store different time periods. The packing part can be designed for different capacity output, carry out night shift production, and pack and store or load during day shift to save human and electric consumption. This project has 4 finished product silos. 1 for corn kernels, 3 for 3 different size corn grits. 3 silos for finished flour, 60 to 80 meshes flour, 80 to 100 meshes flour, 100 meshes all-through flour. Feed was crushed by crusher. Then enters to silos. 1 for second grade flour, 1 for feed flour. The finished grits are shipped out of the warehouse with flow gates and skirt conveyors. No residue in conveyed materials. Before packing, there is fabric polisher and color sorter to make the grit shiny, and to sort and inspect again. And there is check function to further ensure the purity of grits. Be free from bran, dark spot, and flour. Comprehensive product quality assurance. A total of 7 sets of dust removal wind nets were designed for the project. 4 of them are middle pressure wind nets. 2 of them are high pressure air transportation wind nets. Ensure that all equipment in the workshop is in a state of slight negative pressure during operation. All kinds of motor and electronic control can be configured as required to realize electromechanical automation and electromechanical intelligence. Welcome friends from all over the world to our company.